Hello, and welcome to this course, Advanced C# Collections. I'm Simon Robinson. I've been coding in C# for over 18 years now, and I firmly believe understanding how to use collections properly is a vital part of writing good, robust C# applications, because just about every app needs to store and manipulate data in collections. This course will take your knowledge of collections to the next level. I assume you already have some experience of coding with collections in C#. For example, you know how to enumerate and look up values in a list or a dictionary. Maybe you've already watched and understood my other course, Beginning C# Collections. And from there, I will show you how to use the full range of collections. Linked lists to get high performance changes, sets to enforce uniqueness and perform operations on collections as a whole, stacks and queues for situations where you need to process items. I'll talk about scalability and even touch on concurrent collections for multi-threaded situations, and read-only and immutable collections for making your code more robust. And I'll show you how to decouple your code using collection interfaces. By the end of this course, you should know how to select the most appropriate collection for any reasonable scenario and be able to follow good practices in how you use each collection.